Hello, good afternoon everybody. Today it's 9/28/2021. How are you all? I just had a question come in today and I thought it'd be a good video to create and get it out here on the YouTube. Thanks for watching the videos. If you're new around here, my name is Dean and I love to show stuff about manufacturing and manufacturing software. So let's get into today's video. Today's video is about advanced translators with RADAN 3D. So an advanced translator is where you have an advanced translator to open Solidworks and Autodesk files and Solid Edge. Okay, with the standard RADAN 3D, you can open step files and stat files. With Advanced, you can open SolidWorks and Inventor. If you wanted to, you could go to an Ultimate Translator and you have a translator to open Creo and Pro E files, right? So let me show you how this all works and gets together here. So here I can I'm in RADAN 3D, right? So I can browse from RADAN 3D here, and I've got a 3D assembly. I'm in Inventor because I'm using the advanced translator, right? So I can open Autodesk and I can open SolidWorks. So I'm going to open this Autodesk file. It's a full sheet metal assembly. I have a couple of options turned on here. Okay, hit OK and it'll pull it up. I always have calculate thickness and hit apply. So what that does, it brings in this whole sheet metal assembly for me. And you can see here, we've got a whole 3D assembly. Okay, so what now, right? So once we've got that in, we'll go to the next step. I can either take it into my bending and start processing these and update these models inside of RADAN here based on my press break and my parameters, or use my K factors, setbacks and stuff like that to get that into a flat. So when I run a nest, I then can go to the press break and everything lines up. So here we go. So we're in modeling. I can come in and we can unfold this now. And remember, we'll just say yes to that. Remember, this is an Inventor file, right? So we're going to go into laser and I'm going to create a new job here. All right, and create. And what it does, it opens this other window here and you can see all my parts in here. That's from that 3D sheet metal from Inventor, right? So I'm just going to highlight all these because I'm actually going to change my material. I'm going to go CRS and we'll go 039 and then I'm going to make 5 of these assemblies, hit apply and simply hit import. Now you can see it's running through that, adding it to my project here, and now I've just added 10 parts here ready to nesting. I have some settings turned on in here for nesting options and stuff like that, so we'll go 20 on that, right? Okay, so what we'll do is it pulls in my material as well, and then I'm going to run the nester. So while it runs the nester, it's going to take 20 seconds. I told it to take 20 seconds and get me the greatest and best nest of all time. So it'll create a nest. It's going to put all those parts on a nest on the sheet. It's going to profile that with the laser tooling or punch tooling, whatever machine you're using, or punch combination. And it's going to sequence it, and now it's generating the NC code. Once it generates the NC code, you can see I've got good results there, 50 parts nested. Here's my nest, right? So that's my nest today to run. You can see it with profiling on. I've got a sheet scrap there. Everything's checked. We're good to go, right? So that there is how you use Advanced Translator, right? Without Advanced Translator, you'll be stuck to opening DXFs or something like that, or step files. But now, if you have the Advanced Translator in that, you can actually open up any kind of file. You can open up just a single IPT file. you can come in and you can open SolidWorks. I hope this sort of answers everyone's question. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below or the comment section. Make sure you like and subscribe, stay up to date with some of the videos we put out, and we've got plenty of videos on here. All right. But thank you, and see you here on Friday.